Let's continue with the topic of dealing with someone in a relationship who has mood swings. So next we want to talk about getting your point across. So when you're in a relationship with someone who has frequent or intense mood swings, communication can start to feel very risky. You may find yourself rehearsing conversations, softening your words, or staying quiet altogether just to avoid emotional fallout. Over time, this actually erodes the connection that you have and self-trust. So being heard in this type of relationship is less about saying things perfectly and more about and how when you say certain things. First, timing matters more than tone. So trying to explain your feelings when the other person is emotionally flooded often leads to defensiveness or just shutting down. Waiting until emotions have settled is not avoidance. It is emotional intelligence. Next, we want to talk about clarity and how that beats over explaining. So when someone experiences mood swings, too much information can feel very overwhelming. Stating your point simply and directly. One feeling, one request, one boundary. For example, you can say, I feel dismissed when plans are changed suddenly. I need consistency or a heads up. This is enough. Third, respect is demonstrated through behavior, not agreement. Someone does not have to like what you're saying, but they're going to have to start treating you with respect. If the conversation turns into interruptions, sarcasm, or emotional punishment, it is appropriate to pause and reset. You can say, I want to keep talking, but I need this to stay respectful. Fourth, stop trying to regulate the other person's emotions in order to feel heard. Many people fall into the trap of managing tone, mood, timing so carefully that their own message disappears. You are allowed to express your needs, even if the other person feels uncomfortable. Number 5, you want to notice patterns, not promises. Feeling heard needs to be consistent. It shows through in follow-up and effort. If the same conversations repeat without movement, the issue is not communication skill. It is emotional accountability. Finally, you want to remember feeling heard should not require shrinking yourself, softening your truth, or abandoning your needs. A healthy relationship can hold through emotional fluctuation without silencing one partner. If your voice only feels safe when the other person is in a good mood, that is not emotional safety. That is conditional communication. My name is Dr. Alicia Johnson. I am seeing patients in my private practice. Feel free to reach out to us today. As always, I'm here for you.